Hey guys, welcome back. So due to OnePlus's growing list of subpar devices in recent times, there's a lot riding on the impending OnePlus 11 Pro. But looking at what's been leaked, it's safe to say the biggest upgrades could be wired charging speeds, the chipset, to a certain extent cameras, and the return of alert slider that was missing on the OnePlus 10R and the OnePlus 10T. Last week, leaked renders from a trustworthy source on Leaks gave us our first apparent look at the OnePlus 11 Pro. It comes with a redesigned camera module featuring a mashup of the circular and square design. You can say it's a half pill-shaped border that stretches from the mid to the side frame of the back panel. Now, the leaker has shared some more details about the upcoming smartphone. The OnePlus 11 Pro will sport a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen bearing Quad HD Plus resolution, a punch hole cutout at the top left corner, and a 120Hz refresh rate. However, it remains unclear whether the display will have curved edges. It will pack Qualcomm's unannounced Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, in addition up to 16GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage. Furthermore, according to OnLeaks, the OnePlus 11 Pro will have triple camera setup developed in collaboration with Hasselblad. A 50MP primary camera, a 48MP ultra-wide camera, and a 32MP 2x telephoto camera will be part of it. For those looking for excellent long-range zoom capabilities, the latter camera may come as a letdown. Anyways, the phone will have a 16MP selfie camera on the front. Unlike the OnePlus 10 Pro, the 11 Pro will reportedly feature a 5000 mAh battery with faster 100W wired fast charging support. Other specs mentioned by the source include Bluetooth 5.2, in-screen fingerprint sensor, Wi-Fi 6E, GPS, a USB Type-C port, and Android 13 out of the box. And about its launch, it can be expected in first quarter of 2023. Still a long time to go. And in that time span, we will know a lot. So for now, this is all we know. Thank you for watching and hope to catch you in the next one.